Okay, in this video we're going to solve some problems with parallel lines and finding angles. So if you notice here, when we have parallel lines, essentially what happens is that all the angles up here get copied to all the angles down here. So this is called our transversal. And the transversal is just a line that cuts across two parallel lines. Okay, but the nice thing with this is it's going to copy all of the angles. So this angle will be copied down here. This angle will be copied down here, etc. Okay, so we're going to copy all those different angles as we go. The other thing to notice with this is that angles that are across from here will be the same. So that's going to be 47 as well. So opposite angles are equal. The other thing to notice here is that every time we make a straight line, the angles have to add to 180. So this here, that's 47, and that's 47, and this angle have to make 180. So 180 minus 47, and that's going to give me 133. So this angle has to be 133. Likewise, this one's opposite of this one, so that's 133. So just using one angle, we find a bunch of different angles. Now, with the transversal, all of these angles get copied down here. So if that's 47, that's got to be 47. If that's 133, that's got to be 133. That's 133. This has to be 133. And likewise, that's got to be 47. So all of these angles get copied down here. So the same angles over and over again. Okay, so our missing angle equals 133 degrees. Okay, so that's what we're looking at for this one. I'm going to give you one to try. And so this one here, here's our two parallel lines. We've got the angle 65 right in here. And we want to know what this angle is out here. Okay, I'm going to ask you to pause the video, give this one a try on your own, and then once you feel like you're ready, come have a look at the solution and hit play. Okay, at this point I'm assuming that you've tried the question, and now let's have a look at a solution. So I find the easiest way to do this is to label everything we know, and it comes together quite nicely. So if that's 65, that's got to be 65. Those are opposite angles. This angle up here, these two make a straight line together, so they have to add to 180. So 180 minus 65 is going to be 115 degrees. So that's 115. And if that's 115, that's going to be 115 because they're opposite angles. Now all of these angles get copied down here. So this corresponds here, that's 65. This corresponds here, that's 115. This corresponds here, that's 65. And this corresponds here, that's 115. So the answer to our question comes about very nicely. That's going to be 65 degrees. So question mark is equal to 65 degrees. Okay. And so with just a little bit of problem solving, we can figure out any of these angles that are missing.